If the advice he receives distorts the truth, doesn't that make him weaker?
Hawakan mo to. Yan. Video mo siya.
Wala, natuwa. Ala.
I have dreaded. Where have you been?
Ay, tumigil. Oh.
Speaking the truth.
Ay, nag-stop.
You are a religious man, Omar. You are
Ang galing.
understand. Religious truth is not
Wow, beautiful.
Most people there live practice the rituals of their own faith.
Ano ka ba?
God is the
Mahal naman. Ba't mo ginagawa?
was equally balanced with reason. Don't you think more people?
Ano ginagawa mo?
You ask too many questions. Confuse the people with your heresy.
Kung hawakan, ganyan mo lang gamay.
Reason above faith is heresy. One must accept absolute authority.
Ayan, ako.
And who has absolute authority on matters of religious faith? You
Taas mo.
Yee!
God on man's turn. God doesn't care how you believe in Him, just as long as you believe in yourself first. The sun will be destroyed under Maliksha. What? Persia has prospered under the Seljuks.
Mahal naman kasi
Kaya mo yan.
Ala, mahal naman. Turuan mo kasi siya.
Ito. Pindot mo to. Nako, ito. Ito.
Ala na, tinamad nang tumayo. Sige. Tamadachi.
Ano yung remote? Ano yung remote?
Ay, ang pangit mo. Ang gaganong-ganong picture. Rock and roll. Sabi nung ano pala yun.